Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Debbie. Today I'll be showing you how to attach this particular zipper on the back of your dress without seam allowance. Okay, so you can actually attach a zipper where there is no zipper allowance. Okay, so right now this zipper, I said it is special, and because it has a stopper right here and it also has an extension. So there is a particular way by which you can, actually fix this kind of zipper, okay, on your dress or your top. Now I have a lightweight fabric, can you see, and I have added my interfacing, well glued on the fabric. So if you are using a thicker fabric, you can skip this aspect, okay, you can skip this part. So right now I'm making a crease. So for you can press, using your pressing iron to make this particular crease, and this also indicates my CB, my center back. All right, so I'll be attaching my zipper on this particular line. So now this is my zipper and I'm going to be placing it on this line as shown, so that I can also mark where it's going to stop. So for you can actually measure 1/4 of an inch from the stopper, okay, and mark. So this is where your seam or your stitch is going to stop. I hope you understand my point. So this is what I'm doing right now. So this is the point I just indicated. Can you see? So now I'm just going to make this line clear. Actually it is optional, it is not compulsory you do this. Okay, so from that very point outward on both sides I'll be measuring 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so right now I'll be doing that on the zipper. Okay, where I want the zipper to stop, or of course I already know based on what I have marked on the fabric. So now from the mid point there I'll be measuring 1/4 of an inch away. Okay, and this is actually going to be on both sides. Okay, here 1/4 of an inch, from here outward 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so now I have used my pin to bring the two ends together. You know that this zipper actually has a separated end. Okay, so right now I use my pin to bring it together. So now I also did my marking on the fabric, on the wrong side of the fabric. So going to the right side, I will ensure that this line, this little line that I marked here, is also replicated on the right side, so that I can place my right side, the right side of the zipper, on the right side of the fabric, and so. Okay, so make sure you place the right side here on the right side of the fabric, right side of the zipper to the right side. So we are going to just sew. I'm going to sew, attaching the zipper to the fabric on the right side. Can you see? Following or using the line that I drew on the wrong side as my guide. So I need to stitch that line because I had already marked it. Can you see now? So this is what is going to happen, and you know that the down part is going to be placed this way. So you need to turn it around to have it like this. Okay, now I have attached it. Can you see? I have attached it, sewn it with my machine. Okay, so this is what I have. Right side of the zipper on the right side of the fabric. Can you see what is going on now? Okay, so right now the next thing is, for me to take my scissors and open up. But before I do that, I'm going to be measuring 1/2 inch from this line upward. So now, because I have 1/4 inch from that particular line outward on both sides, I'm trying to make it, very clear so that you guys can see. So now I'm connecting these 3 points together to have a triangle. So next is to cut, and once you get to the 1/2 inch mark, you need to be very careful because you are going to cut the triangle as well, but make sure you don't cut through. I'm just trying to be careful, and make sure you don't cut the zipper on the right side. So you have to be very careful. So I'm trying to cut the triangle to the end, and ensure you cut carefully. Don't cut more than, or beyond the line. Can you see? So this is what I have. So now I have this triangle right here. So now the next thing is to, flip to the right side and lift the zipper up to the very beginning. Okay, so and the rest is just to continue to attach by probably using pins and sewing on the machine. So I'll be showing you how to join it, but the first thing you do is to attach with pins. Just follow what you are seeing and you won't find anything difficult at all. Okay, so ensure you maintain the 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch away from the middle of the zipper. So this is what you also follow when you are joining it, in fact when you are pinning it this way. So can you see how it looks on the right side? This is very, very easy to do, and it is it makes it very neat. So you can achieve this maybe after you have added your zipper allowance, if there is an opening already, but if there is no opening, you are fine. Okay, in case you haven't subscribed to this channel, please ensure you subscribe, and ensure you also watch the videos, share the videos, and drop your questions in the comment section. Now this part I'll be sewing the part that I pinned on both sides. I'll be showing, and look at the triangle on this place. Can you see how it's laying well? Okay, now for this machine I'll be using my zipper foot, and this is how you fix your zipper foot. So what you do is you remove the normal foot, and replace it with the zipper foot. Okay, So right now I'll be using, then you can control it like this as well. You can control your zipper foot this way based on what you want to sew, based on the type of stitch, for example, the type of zipper. Okay, so this is it, and I'm going to be sewing right now. Okay, so just follow the pins, the lines on the pins, and ensure that as you are sewing, you are removing the pins. As you are sewing, you are removing the pins. Okay, so this is what I did here. So can you see that as I'm sewing it, I'm also removing the pins. Okay, so sew till the very end. And can you see what I have? Can you see it now? It's really looking so flat and lovely and neat. Yeah, that's the word. Okay, so the other side as well, you do the same thing. Can you see? So this is what I have. Can you see now? So I'm practically done. Yeah, this is really, looking so neat. So you don't, most of the times, there are some designs that you won't even bother to, put zipper allowance. You won't even bother to open it at all. So you can fix this type of zipper on it and it will be lovely. Okay, and look at the down part. Can you see the inside? Very, very nice. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.